Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video, and this is the look I'll be doing for you guys today. This is a classic look, gold eyes, winged liner with a matte red lip. So if you're interested in how I achieve this, then keep on watching. Hi guys, so it's December. It's finally December. We have basically made it to the season finale of 2020. So congratulations. I'm going to do a full face in this video, but I don't think I'm going to talk through the foundation and highlights and contour section because I've done that in every video. I'll still show you guys the products I am using, but I won't really go through and talk through in details. We've had enough of that. So I'm just going to go right into that and do enjoy. I will be talking through the eye portion though. So guys, I'm back and the brows are done. Face done for now. I just have blush and glow left, but we're going to just jump right into the eyes. To prime my eyes, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer in Creamy Beige.
That's good.
The palette I'll be using is the Perception palette from Colourpop in collaboration with Shayla. I don't know if you guys remember this palette. Yes, so I'm going to go in with Play-Doh, which is the matte brown shade here, and I'm just going to press that into my crease, my outer V and my crease. Not blending, I'm just pressing the shadow in that area. we have for now. I am going to go in with Thick, the orange shade in the same palette, and I'm going in with a different fluffy brush. I'm going to use that to blend out the matte brown shade that I just placed. So I'm just going to go to the edge of the played out and just blend it with Thick. A smaller blending brush, I'm going to go in with this shade here called Revenge. I'm just going to take that and blend even more. I am taking an eyeshadow brush and I am going in with Diva and TF, so these two. So I'm going in with Diva first, that's the darker gold, more like a bronze, and I am putting that just right here, like at the closer to the dark brown. And then for my inner corner, I'm going in with the True Gold, which is TF. My winged liner. I'm going to try and do it on camera just to show you guys, but I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex Easy Glide Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in Deepest Black, and I'm just going to go on in and create a winged liner. I'm just going to work on one eye and show you guys, and then do the other eye off camera. Alright, I'm going in with my NYX glitter primer. Just a little bit. Put it on the back of my hand, and I'm going to go in with a brush and just kind of pat that over my lid. And then from the Morphe 24 Artist Pass palette, I am going to take this glittery shade. It's like a pressed glitter called Invite Only, and I'm going to take my finger and just press that onto my lid on top of the glitter primer I just added. So I'm going to complete this eye off camera, add my lashes, and come right back to finish off the look. For blush, I'm going to go in with this beautiful orange blush from Sasha Cosmetics called Amber Glow.
That's good.
For glow, I'm actually going in with two products. I'm going in with the Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter in Prosecco Please, and on top of that I'm going in with Pose. Actually, I'm going to go in with Pose first, and this is from the Shayla X Colourpop collection, and then go in with the Prosecco Please on top. First, lining my lips with the Morphe Trendsetter lip liner. I will be using a Studded Kiss cream lipstick from Kat Von D, and this is in the shade Outlaw. This isn't as red as I want it to be, so I'm going to go in with Amore Matte from Milani in the shade Amore, and use a little bit of my Diva Liquid Velvet from Seattle, London. So guys, I am going to do my hair and change my outfit and come right back. So guys, this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed as yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button down below and the bell notification right beside it so you're notified whenever I upload. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.